course, I'm aspiring for this, but nobody can tell whether I'll ever be in that short list or that I'll ever be appointed. But if and when, mas aswertehin nga ho tayo, malaking karangalan po yan, not only to me personally, to my family, especially my father. And alam nyo, kaya nga siguro lumalaban pa siya. Kasi, you know, he's hoping na baka naman pwede akong i-consider. Now, syempre, that would be quite historic to be the first female chief magistrate. But remember, I'm not the only woman aspirant among the nominees. Meron pang iba dyan at puro pareho naman very qualified.